Ciao, I'm Chef Davide Komaski. Welcome to the Chocolate Academy Online. Today we will learn how to make a very classic Italian dessert, the tiramisu. This recipe is easy and is a proper way to make a basic tiramisu. You can use this recipe as base to create more elaborate desserts. Although this recipe is simple, its success lies in the balance of cocoa, coffee and mascarpone cream flavor. To achieve that balance, the mascarpone must be creamy and airy, and the spongy ladyfinger bases, known as Savoiardo biscuits, must have a strong espresso essence. Hope you're ready for this? Andiamo! For this recipe, we will start by making the ladyfinger biscuit, also known as Savoiardo biscuit. You will need the following ingredients: 170 g of egg white, 200 g of sugar, 135 g of egg yolks, 7 g of honey, 170 g of cake flour, 50 g of potato starch, 7 g of baking powder. As needed, espresso coffee freshly made. You will also need the following utensils: place the egg white in the mixer bowl and start whipping on the medium speed. Slowly add the sugar and mix for 6 or 7 minutes. Warm the honey in the microwave and add to the egg white and the sugar mix. Mix until soft shiny peaks form. Break up the egg yolks and add them in the slurry stream to the whipped whites. Place the cake flour, potato starch and baking powder together in a bowl and mix well. Sieve the dry mixture twice on a parchment paper. With the mixer on slow speed, add a third on the dry mixer and bring the speed on the mixer up on the maximum speed for a second or two. Repeat twice with the rest of the dry mix. Place a silicone sheet on the table with a parchment sheet under one of the short sides. Place the raclette on the opposite side of the silicone sheet. Set your raclette height to 0.5 cm. Pour the dough mix in the raclette and swipe towards the side with the parchment paper. If you don't have the raclette, you can spread the dough on the silicone sheet with an offset spatula. Bake in a preheated oven for 5 or 6 minutes or until golden. Let it cool completely. Flip the sheet of ladyfinger on a parchment paper, then carefully peel the silicone sheet away. Use a circular ring cutter that matches the serving glasses and cut a circle of dough. Baste each ladyfinger sinker with strong, freshly made espresso. Place the basted ladyfinger in the freezer. Now let's make the mascarpone cream. You will need the following ingredients: 175 g of sugar, 85 g of egg yolk pasteurized, 500 g of mascarpone. You will also need the following utensils: place the egg yolks and sugar in the mixing bowl and mix well with a spatula. Whip the sugar and the egg yolks together or high speed until the mix is light in color. Scrape the sides of the bowl and add the mascarpone. Mix on high speed until well incorporated. Place the cream in the piping bag and reserve. We are now ready to assemble the tiramisu glasses. You will need the following ingredients: as needed caldebot cocoa powder, as needed cocoa berry chocolate coffee beans, as needed Mona Lisa gold powder. You will also need the following utensils: pipe some mascarpone cream in the bottom of each glass. Place a circle of ladyfingers on top of the cream in each glass. Repeat until you reach the top of the glass. Tap each glass on the palm of your hand to remove any air. Place the last circle of cookie on top and pipe a small amount of cream on it. Smooth the cream with an offset spatula. Before serving, sprinkle with cocoa powder. Carefully place a square of parchment paper on top of each glass and smooth with an offset spatula. Place some gold powder and a few chocolate coffee beans in a small glass bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and shake until the beans are covered in the gold powder. Using the tweezers, place one gold bean on top of each tiramisu glass. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours before serving. I hope you enjoyed making this dessert. What I like most about it is that it's a great dessert that's very quick to make, even with making the biscuit from scratch. Once you master this, you can move on to more complicated tiramisu. If you make this tiramisu, please share it with the Chocolate Academy online community or on social media. Buon appetito!